All right, so it's Saturday today, so it's about 10 days since these plants have been in. Big news is I probably miscounted or underestimated the snail potential. So I hadn't seen the original snail since I guess Tuesday, maybe. But I might be wrong. I can't see them as clearly as I could see that one those 2 days. But I think I see 3 in the tank right now. There is one on that. I'm not quite sure what that is. That a spiralis, Vallisneria spiralis plant, I think. Not good with the plant names, unfortunately. And then on the right hand pane, you see one there. And then you really can't see it. This one is actually on the sucker of the ammonia alert, which I still haven't really learned how to read. It seems like it's reading safe. If it really is reading safe, it means my ammonia is going down really quickly after I add the chemical. But I can't really say that these are snails yet. But one of them is definitely moving, and the one that's on the plant, I'm fairly certain has changed positions. Anyway, so I possibly have at least 3, and if there's 3, I'm sure there's going to be more snails in there. Remember, they are hermaphrodites, so if there's 3, they're definitely capable of reproducing. Other thing I've been looking into is I might have mentioned that the tips of the Java moss, which was a plant that I was fairly optimistic about, that it supposedly grows fairly easily. The tips have been turning white. So I looked into what that might be. And white fuzz seems to grow on Java moss, so white algae grows on it. But this is not what this looks like. It looks like the plant tips have been bleached white. So I don't think it's something growing on them. One possible explanation I've heard is that white growth is actually what Java moss would use to attach itself to a substrate or to in this case to a rock, where I'm hoping that it's going to attach itself. I don't know if I should do something to sort of help, because I would like it to attach itself to that rock, hopefully. I don't know if I should sort of try to help it do that and try to sort of move those white tips towards the rock, or what. I tried cleaning some of these diatoms with my hand, and you can see that it sort of worked. Look where the gravel is a lot darker. In some cases, it's got some of that sort of silica sparkle back. That's sort of what I wanted the gravel to look like, and unfortunately, it's really lost that. I thought it was just the fact that it's mixed with the planting soil, but it's not. It's the diatoms growing on it that have put that sort of gray sheen on it. So when I use my hand to clean the diatoms, it makes the water really cloudy, and you can see particles suspended in it. They do disappear eventually Um, hoping some of it is going in the filter at least. Also, possibly, it's just resettling really. But I think when I do a large water change before putting fish in, it's gonna be a big project. Clean a lot of dead plant matter and stuff when I do that water change, but also try to agitate as much as possible to get all that cloudiness in the water, so I can remove a lot of it when I do that big water change. So 3 snails. Yeah, that guy's definitely moving up the Vallisneria. 3 snails at least. And I guess they don't really mind the ammonia and the nitrate. So I'll do another update tomorrow.